Tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I just made it back from Dollar Tree. I haven't been out the house or I haven't been shopping since January 2nd when I gave you guys that clearance haul from Hobby Lobby. We had, cold weather, snow, so I haven't been out. I've been hibernating, so I had to get out today. So I went to Dollar Tree because I wanted to get some of my cranberry juice. So I got that cranberry juice. I want to show you that cranberry juice, Diet Coke, and I got a box of popcorn. The little 3 packs of microwave popcorn. So that'll tie me over for the weekend. So I went into Dollar Tree and just want to show you some things that are going on. So they had these little Vaselines. So I got like 5 of these. And I was telling you guys about having a go bag, and just it's important to have little small things in your go bags. So if you have to be on foot, you have what you need, but it won't weigh you down. So that's why I get little things like that. And then they had this Vaseline. So I got like 4 packs of these. This smells wonderful. It's very good, very emollient, very nice. So a lot of things, because people say, why do you shop at Dollar Tree? Because I like to keep, I keep my go bag up. And I have maybe like 4. When I was working in corporate America, I had a kit at my desk. I had one in my car. I have a little kit in my purse. And, at home. So, so Dollar Tree is good for, you're doing multiple things. So I got these LED mirrors, and so I got in this pink. There's a lighter pink, and then in a purple. And I don't have my glasses on to let's see. Let's open one up. Let's open it up. It needs some batteries. Opening it up, you put your batteries back here, and it has a little stand. And then just open up. You open up this part and put your batteries in, so you'll have a light. And do you know how important it is? Like, say if you're out of, you had to evacuate your home and go somewhere, and you're not like in anyone's home yet, to go without a mirror. If you've ever like gone like days without being able to see yourself, you can feel kind of off balance. So I like having a mirror. It's important. When I was in the military, we did that. We wonder why you don't know what you're looking like. We take it for granted. We could just glance at ourselves. But if you don't have anything, a mirror close by, it can be a little off. You can be a little off. Here's another compact mirror. Got one in blue. I think these are very pretty. Keep in your purse. And then always keep some wipes. Okay, so these are 32. These are from Modest Basics Feminine Wipes. You can use them all over your body. But the gentler they are, the better. So then I got this set here from, this is like a Valentine's Day pedicure set. Let me see, it goes like this. So cute. I love foot care stuff. Oh yeah, here's the purple mirror, and here's, I got one in blue. We have that. Let me put. I keep them in the bag until I can find a space for them. Okay, and then, oh no, we're going to stick with cosmetics right now. Okay, so they got these back in my store. I kept overlooking them, but I finally got one because I think these would be like good, inexpensive go bags. This is, make a good starter kit. If you want the girls, your daughters or something, if you want to fill up their backpacks, or, if you're in college and you need something, if you're not quite ready to load up a big backpack, like I always say, have something. And guys, when I worked as a team lead, and for several years when I was in the telecommunications industry, and I worked in quality assurance. Then I also, had a team of people. And the number of young ladies that would come to work and they never had anything. They wouldn't have an aspirin on them. They wouldn't have any sanitary supplies with them. No lotion, nothing. And it's like, no money, not even a mint. All ladies, young ladies, y'all listen to your parents. Young ladies, listen to your moms. You need to have something with you at all times. You carry a purse, and even if it's just $2, always have some money. And like if I would go visit my aunt, one of my aunts and uncles, I would go over there and they would always give me some money. When I was a minor, they would always give me a 20. They never wanted, my parents always gave us an allowance. Once a week we would get an allowance. If I blew that allowance, that was on me until the next week. But then my other aunt, I would go over there and they like, a young lady should never always have some money. So since I was a young girl, I always had some money. I'm not going to say I'm rich by no means. But, so a lot of these ladies would come to work and they're like, Miss Tanya, you got something to eat? You got some? I was always like feeding grown women. Just always, I don't think it's a good look for a young woman to always be begging. You got any tampons? You got any sanitary napkins? You have a Midol? You got this? They would never even, come to work and have a banana. Something, okay? So, I'm saying, so if you're on a budget, so I'm saying not to say that you can do things on a budget. No one's telling you go get no Gucci or Louis Vuitton luggage. Get you a Dollar Tree travel case and just put some Dollar Tree stuff in there. Okay, so I got 2 in the black, 2 in the pink. And I like this. This pink is more canvasy. The other one was more vinyl. So I would recommend, if you see the one that's kind of more with like canvas. So this is what these are good for. You put that mirror in there. You can put you a toenail clip, manicure set in there. Always have some wipes. Young ladies would come to work, they would need wipes and everything. No, we don't roll like that. We come with something. You don't have to be the top of the line, but you need to have something. Vaseline. Got the Vaseline lotion, Vaseline. This have one of those travel toothbrushes in there. Those little small mouthwash. Check on my community page. I posted a whole Dollar Tree haul with emergency preparedness stuff, how you can pack it, and how you can have it on your backpack. Check my community page on that. Okay, and so these are little things you can always have. Have some wipes. So what if you get stuck? I've gotten stuck at work. Things were at work. There was a riot down the street from our job. We had to stay in there. You know, I was able to freshen up while I was at work. And then put some little nuts and candy in here. Have you something to eat. Have a little small water. You know, I'm just saying, always. Always. You might even have room to put an extra pair of underwear, extra pair of socks, and roll up a shirt. You might, be able to change your shirt. If you're small enough, you might be able to roll up some leggings and put them in here. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. That's what these little things are good for. So you didn't spend a lot of money. You have something to access, and you're good. Okay, so now I got some garden stuff. I'm always needing these little planter liners. Got that size. So you get how many? You get 6 in a pack. That's cool. You won't be able to get this anywhere like this, 6 in a pack for $1.25. So I got 2. Then you get for this size here. What are these? What size is this? Can't see that. So you get 4 in a pack of these bigger ones.